It's time for the instruction of staking to get tier on SeaFi. Before all, we will start with staking SeaFi Token, the initial step to be a sailor on SeaFi. SeaFi IDO Launchpad offers 4 flexible staking pools, each with varying multipliers, staking periods, and APYs. The multiplier will affect your total tier in the last step. After connecting your EVM-compatible wallet, you'll also need to connect your SUI wallet to stake SPT, since SPT is currently a SUI native token. To connect your SUI wallet, click the profile icon in the top right corner of the SeaFi website to open the profile section. Select Sway Network and follow the prompts to connect your SUI wallet. From this section, you can also manage your connected wallets across other supported networks. SPT is now available for purchase on Stacks. Once you've acquired SPT, visit SeaFi's tier system, click Stake, and choose the staking pool that best fits your strategy. Now, let's get to know our tier system. The tier system determines the user's allocation during token sales, with higher tiers offering larger allocations. The crucial factor that decides your tier is S-points. There are 9 distinct tiers, each with a specific S-point requirement starting at Tier 1 with 1,000 S-points, and the last level of Tier 9 with 100,000 S-points. The formula to determine your tier is straightforward. Tier equals S-points equals multiplier times amount of staked SPT. So basically, when you stake your SPT token in one of our 4 flexible staking pool, your pool multiplier and amount of tokens staked in that pool will get you the equal S points. It's important to note that there is a limit to how many Tier 9 positions you can hold. Each user can have a maximum of 6 Tier 9 slots. Please keep this in mind as you plan your strategy and manage your S points effectively. Not only that, SeaFi allows you to have multiple staking positions. You can stake for different pools and get S-point equal to each position. The total amount of S-point displayed here will decide your tier. SeaFi offers users the option to upgrade their current staking positions to a higher level through the My Stake section. If you wish to enhance your staking package, you can easily select an upgraded package without losing any progress and get higher. Multiplier. The staking period will continue from the start date of your initial stake. You don't have to restart from day 1 with the new cycle.